Guys, coming to my friend's house. Imagine coming home to this every day. Look at this stunning view. You have company, you get to have a little bar so that you can have people come and help themselves. Have your barbecue and your sink. Look at how gorgeous all of this is. I mean, I'm gonna move in. You turn the fire on. You have this amazing reading nook that where you curl up to a great book. And then again, you have this spectacular view to enjoy. You open up this drawer, cleanest junk drawer ever, because you have a docking drawer. You get to plug in all of your technology. It'll charge overnight for you. And then the best part, clean countertops. This little opening to the bar. It's so great. The size of this stove, 8 burners. Look at this incredible walk-in pantry where you can have all of your extra spices. Everyone needs a swingy door. Look at your gorgeous windows for natural light. Look at how beautiful all of this is. The tile work, the bathroom or the shower that's over there. My favorite part, if you're soaking in this tub, you get that gorgeous, spectacular view again. Can you tell I'm obsessed with the view? Come here, you gotta look at this closet. It's like a dream come true. Look at how well organized it is. They've even got natural light up above. But look at some of these cool features. Look at, you can pull out your laundry basket so that you can put all your dirty clothes in, as well as like, how much easier to be able to get your clothing out that way. I swear they thought of everything in this house. I have to say this is probably one of the most ingenious features of this closet. Washer and dryer right here. So you wash everything, you fold everything, you put it away. Oh, so smart. And then of course you have another docking drawer right here. You can plug everything in, your phone, your watch, your headphones, your AirPods, whatever you have, charge it, ready to go the next day for you. It's